to the Bowyer o'er the free, boundless ocean, where the stupendous waves roll in thunder and motion, where the mermaids are seen and the fierce tempest gathers to love dare and the green, the dear land of our fathers. Will you come? Will you come to the Bowyer? Will you come to the land of O'Neill and O'Donnell, of Lord Lucan of old and the immortal O'Connell, where King Brian drove the Danes and St. Patrick the vermin, and whose valleys remain still most beautiful and charming? Will you come? Will you come to the Bowyer? You can see Dublin city, the fine groves of Blarney, the Banboyne and Liffey, the lakes of Killarney. You can ride on the tide o'er the broad majestic Shannon. You can sail round Loch Ness and see story Dungannon. Will you come? Will you come to the Bowyer? Will you come and awake our lost land from its slumbers, and her fetters will break, links that long are encumbered, and the air will resound with Hosanna to greet you. On the shore will be found gallant Irishmen to meet you. Will you come? Will you come to the Bowyer? Will you come? Will you come to the Bowyer?